Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll be doing a review of the Apple wired keyboard with numeric keypad. I picked it up at Best Buy for around $49.99 plus tax. So let's get started. As you can see, it is wired from here, and it comes with the keypad. Right here. It comes with a cable extender, which this cable right here is not very long at all. It's like 2 feet, and I think the cable extender is around 2.5 feet, somewhere around there. And it also comes with some literature, but really, who needs directions on how to use a keyboard? I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, right? It's an all aluminum keyboard here. This is all aluminum, so as you can imagine, it has some weight to it. And these are all just plasticky white buttons, but they don't feel like really cheap. They feel really nice, so that's good. There's two USB ports on either side of the keyboard, right there. Right there. You can see, and there's one on the other side. I don't think you really need to see that one since they're the same things, and they can be used for flash drives, charging stuff, plugging in your camera, plugging in your iPod, anything really. Just gives you 2 extra ports, so that way you won't need to use any of your computer. So basically, you lose one, but you get back 2. So basically, it's like you just gained 1. So that's pretty good. I really like that. It's very handy. So I'm glad they put that feature on there. I'm currently using this on a PC, as you can tell from down there, and it works perfectly, no flaws at all. I would think some of the buttons would have different controls, but I mean, like, see how it says volume, down volume, mute, play. These don't work, but you can use a software to basically do that, so that way it will work for you. You can just up, down. Basically, you can rename any of the keys with a simple software download, which I haven't got to yet, but I'm going to. I really like how the buttons are not all squeezed together. They're really spread apart. So that way, if you like go like that, you're like on the side, you're not hitting the U or both of them. You're just hitting the Y. My previous keyboard was all squeezed together, and I hated it. So I'm really glad they have that. Every button has space in between, as you can see. I suggest getting this if you ever have the chance to pick it up. Do not pass on it. It is worth every penny. I swear to you, it is. The buttons feel really nice. I love the look of the white, especially with my white modem. Kind of cheesy, but I really like it. So yeah, don't hesitate to pick this up if you ever have a chance to. And so yeah, that was my review of the Apple wired keyboard with numeric keypad. Please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It would really help. Also, I just posted a room tour. I mean, not a room tour, a desk tour, and I have some other videos, some other reviews. So don't forget to go check out my channel. I think some pretty decent videos up there for you tech lovers. So, yep. All right, I'm out.